Developing here in Georgia tonight, Fox 5 has confirmed that Leanna Harris, mother of Cooper and wife to murder suspect Ross Harris, has retained an attorney. Cooper is the little boy who died inside his father's hot car in a Cobb County parking lot. Leanna Harris has not spoken publicly since her son's funeral and not since new disturbing allegations surfaced at her husband's probable cause hearing. Those allegations that Ross Harris sexted multiple women, that he had life insurance policies on his young son, have played a big role in destroying public support for that Cobb County man.
But before those allegations surfaced, people rallied for Harris, setting up online petitions and donating money to his defense. So what's happened to that money? And can people who donated to Harris's defense get their money back? Fox 5's George Franco is live tonight in Cobb County, Georgia. What were you able to find out about those donations?
Well, Lisa and Russ, first of all, we're at the Cobb County Jail tonight because this is where Ross Harris is being held without bond for the alleged hot car murder of his little boy, Cooper. Now, as far as the money some of you in our community may have contributed to the Harris Fund, we spoke to an internet law expert today, and he told us, no, you probably cannot get your money back.
Any one of us who has held our child can also imagine how immensely and devastatingly painful it would be to lose that child.
Attorney Mark Campbell is a father who felt the same tug on his heartstrings when we all learned of the horrible hot car death of little Cooper Harris 3 weeks ago.
They'd raised almost $23,000.
Campbell and law partner Max Changas showed us the cash temporary file of a fundraising page for the Harris family. The fundraising link has been removed from the website youcaring.com after revelations of sexting, internet searches, and other details portraying Ross Harris as living a double life emerged in court.
This is a kind of case where public opinion is wavering and vacillating so much.
The fundraiser may be down, but what about getting money back? A website representative says payments to the Harris Fund were made through portals WePay and PayPal, and that the donor would have gotten a receipt for their donation. They can contact that payment portal and request a refund if they wish. Campbell says refunds, even if through those portals, would have to come from the person who set up the fund.
The money is in the hands of the solicitor, this person who is identified as Heather.
Campbell tells us legally in a charitable situation like this, those who've had a change of heart and might want a refund must show fraud.
As long as these monies are spent expenses related to the death of the child, that would be completely legitimate. There would be no fraud.
I.e. the funeral, i.e. legal costs?
Absolutely.
And those costs continue as this trial or the proceedings involved in this case go forward. Attorney Campbell tells us that if you really want to pursue this case to try and get any money back, you could hire your own attorney and subpoena the records from that website. But he doesn't believe that would be very successful anyway. So bottom line, he says at this point, he hopes that the people who did contribute to this cause remember how they contributed and that they contributed with the little boy in their heart at that time. Reporting live tonight in Cobb County, I'm George Franco, Fox 5 News.
Thank you, George. A Fox 5